Okay, we're gonna try to find all of these animals. First up is an alligator. Information, alligator. Okay, so to find him, we need to go in a swamp. A bass. Okay. A grizzly bear. Okay. We got some stuff. Oh, capybara. We need that one. Whatever. Let's go. What is this? I think we found it. Is that one? Sorry. Oh, don't run. What was that? I think I saw it earlier. That's all of them. Then what is that? We gotta kill it. What the? Oh, I got a tail. Where did it go, though? It's a duck. Not gonna lie, we gotta go in creative for this. Because we need to kill them fast so that they don't just run away. Creative. Now, let's get full iron armor. Not iron. So that the animals don't kill me. And then, get this. I one-shotted it. Oh, a raw duck. We're gonna put all this stuff in here. We gotta find where that reptile went. I think I just saw it. It's on the run. It's on the run. It's on the run. What is that? It's a butterfly. Bro, let's try to find something else. What was that? Sorry, gotta kill you. Gotta get everything. Cheetah. Oh. Okay. That's pretty cool. Got it. Another one? Whatever. Let's see. What was that? I need to find some stuff. Another one of those. Oh, it's so cute. What's through here? Nothing. Bro. I think that's something. No, it isn't. Bro. is everything? This is hard. We're trying to catch all the things. And we've barely catched any. We've catched 1, 2, 3. Well, no, wait, the feather is part of it. So, 1, 2. What is this? Oh, whatever. 3. We've catched 4 things, bro. What is that? Why is it so fast? No. Okay, killed it. What is this? Bone meal? Okay, whatever. Oh. Piranha. Raw piranha. I think this is normal, so I'll just drop it in here. Crab. Yes. Got some crab sticks. I don't need these. Bro, how do I drop this? I do not need this. Do not need this. I do not need this. Bro. Oh, panda, that's normal, so not gonna kill it. There are the cheetahs again. No. Oh, I got this. Raw salmon. I do not know. I do not know. Where is everything? Bro. I do not know. I'm gonna go in this direction. Bro. This is probably where the pandas are, but ain't gonna be where I am. Bro. Bro, 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 bro. 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 Bro, 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 bro. Okay, yeah. I'm done with this video. Bye. Bro.